Hi guys, welcome to Roop Troop Adventures. Today we're going to be unboxing some fidgets, so let's get started. Okay, I'm going in order from smallest to biggest, so this is the first one. It's about as simple dimples get, which is the type of fidget this is. It's got one of the little pop-it things in it. I think it's supposed to be like a piece of candy. It's really cute. I like it. It can be like a keychain. And so I really like this one, and it pops good. Alright, the next one is this one. It is really hard to pop. I had one like this one time, and I traded it with my cousins. Subscribe to their YouTube channel. It's called A Sisters and A Sister Shorts. But anyway, it's really hard to pop. Like, I don't know why, but something about this one with the 3 things on it are really hard to pop. I have another simple dimple that did not come in this pack. It's this one. It's got 3 and it's really easy to pop. So I don't know what it is about that certain style, but it's very hard to pop. But it's still fun, just is really hard. Okay, next is this fidget spinner. You can pop it, and it pops really good, and spins good. You can't do them at the same time, but it is a lot of fun. Alright, the next one is this version of a fidget spinner. This one is hard to pop, like the other one. This one, it's not as hard to pop as that one, but it is a little tough. It has a little hole in it right here. I think it can be like a keychain. This is still a really fun fidget, and I really like it. Okay, this is the next one. I really like this one. One of my cousins have this one, and I really liked it. So I'm really happy that this fidget pack had it in it. It's a lot of fun. I don't really think I have any problems with this fidget. It's a lot of fun. And if you check out our YouTube channel, we'll probably have some videos to come and probably up right now about this fidget. Okay, this is the next one. It's a butterfly. I really like this one. All of the holes pop pretty good except for this one. You've got to like push it down like that. So not as fun as the ones on the wings and right here. But it's still really fun. You can hook it up and hang it on a bag or something. So I really like this one. Okay, the last one in this set is this one. It is a little hard to pop, but pops really good. It has numbers on it, which I don't really know why it has numbers. But it's really fun. On the back side, it has dots for the numbers. But I really like this one. The numbers are a little weird, but it is a lot of fun, and I really like it. Okay, the next fidget pack I have is this Simple Dimple set. It has a lollipop, another lollipop, some french fries, and an ice cream cone. It has little things so you can hang it up, and these are really good when it comes to popping them. The only thing I don't really like about these is it's white on the back side, and like they didn't paint the back side. It's like that for all of these, so I would highly recommend getting this one pack of fidgets. It's really cute. Like color and style wise, but just the back is white, and I don't really know why they did that. So, but I would still highly recommend getting this one. Okay, the last thing I have is this Pop-It keyboard. It is a lot of fun. I really like it. I don't really have anything against it, except for the rectangular buttons don't pop good at all. Like, I haven't been able to pop one. So this button here and this one do not pop, but all the other buttons pop really good, and I really like this fidget. It's a lot of fun. The details with the letters are nice. It looks really good. I really like it. You can also get it in other colors, which is cool too. So I highly recommend these fidgets. They're really fun, from the simple dimples to the keyboard and the little food-shaped ones. They're a lot of fun. I would highly recommend getting these, and whoever made these fidgets, if you want to sponsor us, that would be fun. Anyway, I definitely would get these. The only things you should note is that the back of these are white. On the keyboard, the rectangle ones don't pop, and that's about it. So I highly recommend these. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check out our YouTube channel for other fidgets. So thanks for watching. Bye.